Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix right speaker not working on Mac. So if you only hear sound from your left speaker and the right speaker seems completely silent, does not assume your speaker is damaged right away. In many cases, the audio balance may have been accidentally moved all the way to left, causing your Mac send sound only to one speaker. This is one of the first settings you should check before trying more advanced troubleshootings. So to fix this, first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now go to Sound and here go to Output section. Now make sure your Mac built-in speaker is selected if you're testing for internal speakers, and now locate the balance slider, and if it's positioned toward left, drag it back to center so the audio distributed equally between both speakers. Now play a song or video with stereo audio to verify whether the sound is coming from both left or right speakers, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.